Most people overpay for products like this. Here's why this one is different. When it comes to drones, especially those with high-quality cameras, the prices can skyrocket quickly. However, I'm excited to share with you a more affordable option that still checks all the right boxes. The HOVERair X1 Pro 4K drone with camera is a game-changer for anyone looking to capture stunning footage on the go, and the best part is, it's available on Amazon. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price. One of the things that really impressed me about this drone is its ability to capture 4K footage at 60 frames per second. As someone who loves to ski, I was able to take this drone with me on the slopes and get some amazing shots of my runs. The Smooth Capture 2.0 feature is perfect for capturing smooth footage, even when you're moving at high speeds. Plus, with the totally hands-free operation, I could focus on my skiing while the drone followed me around. The follow speed of 42 km per hour is more than enough to keep up with even the most intense activities. Another benefit of this drone is its portability and durability. The foldable design makes it easy to take with you on the go, and the construction is robust enough to withstand rough handling. I've taken this drone with me on hiking trips, to the beach, and even just around my backyard, and it's performed flawlessly every time. The rear active collision detection is also a great feature that gives me peace of mind when flying in tight spaces. With 15+ fully automatic flight modes, you can fly this drone just about anywhere, and the Omniterrain feature ensures that you'll get a smooth flight even in challenging environments. Now, I know that some of you might be thinking, what are the pros and cons of this drone? For me, one of the biggest pros is the ease of use. It's really simple to get started and get flying right away. Another pro is the quality of the footage, which is really top-notch. One con is that the battery life could be a bit longer, but overall, I've been really happy with the performance of this drone. The fact that it's so portable and durable is also a big plus in my book. Overall, I'm really happy with the HOVERair X1 Pro 4K drone with camera, and I think it's a great option for anyone looking to capture high-quality footage on the go. Whether you're a skier, a hiker, or just someone who loves to fly drones, this is definitely worth checking out. And don't forget, the link to this drone is in the description below, so be sure to check it out and see the latest price on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.